Hi there, it's my proud privilege and pleasure to present before you how the intelligent birds they are making their nests, and most of the time my experience suggests they will make such beautiful nest only above the water reservoir. You see, there is a water and top of that is the beautiful nests, and the birds are very happy there. They are staying there, they are chirping, twittering. You can understand why water has to be down these kind of nests, because in summer they will get some cooling effect. That's why I tell you, my friends, Atmat Sarvhutesu. Every creature have feelings, they have intelligence, they also feel hurt, they also feel happy. Never harm and hurt any creatures on earth. That's the appeal of Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi to all the mankind. But unfortunately, forget about the human. They do not respect because of their greed, anger, hatred and jealousy and cynical thoughts. They don't love mankind. They kill animals, they shoot birds, and they make it just the kind of food for them. I really feel very pity. Friends, never do that. They are also intelligent. They have similar feelings. Just you have intelligence, you have atom bombs, nuclear bombs, hydrogen bombs, and all sorts of destructive weapons of mass destruction. You are feeling you are superior. But I tell you, this is Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi. Your superiority is in your wisdom and thoughts. Once you feel the whole earth is your family, birds with animal, plants and humans, they belong to your own kith and kin relationship. And once you really have the purity of thought, all have to be happy. And you are to leave every person, every birds with animals in happiness. If you appreciate everyone, you will never hate, you will never be jealous, you will love all. That is the message this video conveys. Love all, respect all, appreciate all. Human beings, they have the drifting mind. It can be negative, it can be positive. So never hate anyone. As long as the person has positive attitude, he will behave good. So even forgive their negativity and inspire them to give more importance to the positive thinking. And what is positive thinking? He pressed best who loveth best. He pressed best who loveth best. All things, both great and small, for the dear nature who made us, he made and loved all, birds with animal, plants and humans. Learn human being to live in perfect harmony. And when I am telling you, let me recite the wonderful song of unity, which the wisest of the wise thousands and thousands of years back suggested us. Sangachadvam sambadadvam samo manasi janatam deva bhagamatha purve sanjanana upasati samanam mantra samiti samanam samanam mana satchit mesham samanam mantram abhimantriye vah samaneno hamisha juhumi samani akoti samana hridanva samana mastu omana yathava susasati. Dear friend, the translation is, let's walk together on the path of peace, love, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity. Let's speak the same thing. Let's maintain harmonious relations with everyone. Let's have always positive mental attitude. Let's focus on how we can make the world a better place day by day in every way, becoming more peaceful, more loving, more affectionate, not only for mankind, but for birds with animals and everyone who is a stakeholder on this earth. But unfortunately, you are thinking about war, showing your superiority. I pray you never do that. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.